I'd like to show you how to change furnace filter for the. This is my furnace in my basement, and then this is for like air condition and the heating winter time. So if you see, you have to change a filter often, so that the filter is clean, and you use clean air in your rooms. It's okay. So now if you see the bottom here, yeah, this is filter for this whole furnace. So first you just take it out. Wow, look at how dirty it is. I really feel bad. I mean, so if you see the filter and then there is a number indicates of the size or what the special model for this furnace. So this is a 16 by 25 by 1. So you can go to store and then you can pick up exactly same size, and you just put it back as you take it out. Okay, so I purchased a new okay, so now I will install this one. I purchased a new one, but then when you put this one, you have to see here it's airflow, so from left to right. So for example, this is my machine here, and then kind of works like the main furnace part here, and then the air goes from here to here, so left to right, and then it goes to all the connected part, all the like lines to each room. Alright, so I will put this one like this, put inside. Okay, yes, so that's all. It's very easy. You just know the size and just purchase and put it in this way, and that's all done. Thank you.